You will
Story
make a whole
time.
video out of me.
Story time. I'm going to make a video saying or explaining why Mili is not really YouTubing or vlogging anymore. Mili, go wash your hands.
Look how sad my hands look. I look
Mili.
so...
What is up? It is Thursday. Happy Thursday. I just came back from running. Oh, story of my life. I'm juggling 3 curriculums. Being at home and just talking, repeat, over and over and over. I've decided to make a behavior chart. I'm using what I have at home. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. And I don't know, if it inspires you guys to do it, let me know how it works for you guys. But I am adding, so this is Drake and Blaze on this side and Mili and Poppa will be on this side. Yes, my 14 and 12-year-old are going to join in on this behavior chart. So what I have here, I printed a picture of everyone that's going to be on this chart. So I have these clothespins. I picked those up from the Dollar Tree, but you can get these anywhere. Here's a board. I'm recycling this board I found. I picked, so these are self-laminating sheets. I got these from the Dollar Tree. You can get them. I have a couple. I just pick them up just so I can use them for the kids. And so I'm gonna laminate these and then decorate this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like later.
The next day.
What is it?
Today we're going biking, guys. My baby brother's crying. Dude, why are you crying? Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
My sister was gonna hit me. Hit!
The late reaction.
And now my brother was playing basketball. I had to stop him. Stop him with the punish.
What is up, guys? I'm crazy. What is up? I feel like Edward Scissorhand. Sit down. Seatbelt, Drakey. Oh, I need a seatbelt.
Please not smile.
Millie and Poppa are following us on their bikes. We're just going to the school. We're just going to the school right here. Just the parking lot, so the boys can like freely ride around. Are middle schoolers too cool for helmets? Here they come.
You guys remember that video when I followed Millie and Papa walking to school?
You guys remember that vlog when I was following Millie and Poppa to school? They thought they were walking to school, but I was secretly following them. I feel like a hot mess right now. This is my new quarantine look. Drake, you can't. Drake, can you focus on your bike riding, Drake? I'll give you the camera after. Come on, Blaze. Yeah, but it's the back part. Where? Because your bike is making a sound, like when you... Yeah, because this is causing this when you ride to like go... I'm just afraid. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Be afraid of that. Okay, I think I fixed it. See, because you can see the back part is like too close to the tire. It's better though, right? Yeah. Oh, I fixed it a little. What did Millie say? You are rocking that pink bike, Blaze. You are rocking that pink bike. What did he just say to me?
Do not do this at home. I'm biking. If you guys want to see, you guys could see cameras. So Oh, whoa, it's wiggly. So
Jake, what are you doing? The stick.
Hey, brother. Brother.
You okay, Jake?
Yeah.
Here.
If I had you to hold it, it would
Go.
be
I'll hold it right above you. Go.
Guys, we got these at home. For school. But I have to do it at school. Whoa.
I have to do it at school. Mom, this one's gonna be a really good YouTuber, I swear.
Oh my gosh, people are so funny. What is up? Happy Friday, TGIF. I don't think I slapped my face on the camera all day today. We just came back from a bike ride, and I don't want anyone to judge me the way that I'm about to make this LU PULU. It's a Tongan spinach, corned beef, onion, mayo type deal. And the kids had a chicken sandwich. The hubs just had a smoothie. I'm tired of smoothies. You guys see I have that, like, that's like my first meal every day. So I decided to have some LU PULU, and it's just spinach and corned beef. So I'm just gonna kind of bluff it. That's how me and my husband have been doing it. Maybe I'm doing it right, maybe I'm not doing wrong, but I don't know. Don't judge me, please.
Hey guys. I'm sorry.
What is up? Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. So this morning, I'm going to show you guys how this works. Everyone wakes up in the morning and has a good day. Here are all the players. We have Blaze, we have Drake, we have Mili, and then here is Sidney, which I'm going to put back there. I should have showed you guys where Drake ended up because Drake was the only one that made it to You Did It. So when he gets to You Did It, he basically gets to like pick the movie we're gonna watch. He gets a little treat, like a little Starburst. I got a bag of Starburst. And then, yeah, so that's how it goes. So if I see that they're doing good, they're sharing, they're being nice, please. So yesterday, I think we only got to warning. I think Blaze got to timeout. Today's a new day, right? So we're gonna start all over. Yes, Blaze? Oh, this isn't gonna bother me. Let me just fix that. Okay. High five. Ooh, okay. Yay! Let us start our day. Let us start our day. But first, oh yeah, let me show you guys. Here is the Starburst that I picked up. And I leave it up here. Waiting. Okay, here we go. Water bottle, emergency. Emergency. I'm gonna shake it up. Mili and Poppa like to have it with ice. So, you know what? I think this is gonna be my new stand. I'm just gonna put you guys there. Usually, I don't know why I never thought to put you guys on this windowsill. Okay. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, wow. And look, it comes with its own little cup. A full-on waffle maker.
they're not done, then keep the forks on those.
2. Let's see. Oh, perfect. I think this one's good. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, it's perfect. Wow. Okay, so we are going to give you guys an update on the waffles. Now we use the Krusties. Is it called Krusties, Papa?
Yeah.
We use the Krusties pancake mix, and it is a little thick. If you like your waffles thick, then use that. But I think maybe I should have added more water so it could be a little lighter because these were thick. But these are blueberry. They worked out pretty good. I think I'm going to do some hacks with the waffle maker. That's what I'm thinking.
Hey guys, it's Millie here. I'm gonna be helping mom vlog because I'm trying to get on the vlog train. Yes, I am. Anyways, I'm trying to show to mom that I can vlog. So I'm gonna be helping her vlog today. Sorry, there's a big pile over there. That's the kids' tent. But I just finished doing my chore. And, yeah. I'm gonna... Grandma! And I'm gonna go hop on the computer right now. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. You want 2 gummies?
Mom?
Why? Mommy said no. Mommy said no.
Daddy.
How many do you want? How many do you want, Blaze?
Gummy.
You can't have any. You can't have any.
One, Millie.
No, you can't have any. Mommy gave you none. Mommy said no. But Mommy said no. This isn't doing anything. Hello guys, I look like a mess. It is 4:18 and this guy wants some more gummy bears. You can't have any gummy bears. No. Those eyes.
Okay, so we picked this up from Costco for the kids. They are so into Legos. So we got this 1,500 piece from Costco. This was $40. Things, there's a house, a boat, rocket ship, cars. There goes the back. You could build houses, boats.
Okay, these are too small for them.
I didn't do quite a good job vlogging today, but we had Wingstop, which tasted so good because it's been a while, right, Sidney?
Yeah.
Since we've eaten out. We've been doing good staying home and eating at home. So the hubs and I went to the ranch market to grab a couple of things. You cannot take any of your grocery bags in there. So we actually had to pay for bags, which didn't make sense if we can't bring our own bags in. I don't know. So we picked up a couple of things from there. Then we headed over to Costco. I loved how it was a Saturday and it was because they're limiting the amount of people that go in there, it was kind of empty. And then I fell in love with this $130 air filter. It was a Wi-Fi, what did it say? It was like a Wi-Fi air purifier. The Wi-Fi part kind of confused me. I just want to plug the air filter in and let it do its thing. I really don't want anything complicating with like Wi-Fi and all these. I don't know, you guys, I just very simple. But guess who wants to vlog again? Guess who wants a second chance at vlogging? You guys, it's such a long story. I probably will take time tomorrow. Story time. Story time. Today was a really good day. I don't know. Today felt really good. Like, you know, you just have nothing exciting really happened, but you know, you have one of those days where you just feel really content and really good about the day. That's how I feel. But this is the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one.